Right, over on the Ciret stand, I hope you can hear me all right. I've got Julie who's going to demo the Prep Smoothing Tool. We'd call them a smoothing tool?
Skimming blades.
Skimming blade.
Skimming blades.
Now, the product we're using is what I always say now is we don't need plasterers anymore. We have the Prestonett. We've got the multi-filler. You've seen it numerous times on my videos. Top left-hand corner if you want to know a little bit more about it. Brilliant product. We don't need plasterers anymore, and this is why. And Julie's going to just explain it to us.
Okay, so we put the ready-mix plaster on with one of these rollers, which is like a nylon roller, and it's got like a nylon loop. Because the plaster is so thick, we need to sort of like pick it up. So we sell these in a 7-inch and a 10-inch. Right. So you roll the plaster on.
Do you need to thin it at all, or is it straight out the tub?
This one's straight out of the tub.
Yeah.
It is very, very thick.
Yeah.
So we just roll it on. Goes on a bit like Artex, really.
Yeah, it does.
And then it's a case of getting the tool, the skimming blade, and just smoothing it off. Smoothing it off.
I take it these tools don't need to be used just with this product. You can use
you can use it with any
ordinary fillers,
plaster, filler. I've even got a guy testing it with render, outside with render. So these tools come in 6 sizes. They have rounded edges on, so you don't get your tram lines.
Yeah.
But also, if you turn it over and press the blue button at the back, you can take the end off, and then the blade comes out. And then you can clean the tool and the blade separately. If you've damaged the blade for whatever reason, we sell replacement blades, and then you just put it back in. You can hear it click back in, and then you just put the end back on place, and away you go.
And I'm going to ask the question because everybody says it, but they're really expensive, aren't they?
No, of course not. So they're very reasonably priced, depending on where you get them from. We're at Brewers at the moment. The small one, which is the 180 size, just over. Quite a few people are using this size as a normal filling blade because they're just so much easier to use. They're so ergonomic.
Yeah.
They can easy use. That one's coming in at $16.66 plus VAT. So including the VAT, that one's at £20.
And if you're in business, it's all tax offsettable.
Yes, you get the VAT. Yes, yeah.
In as well.
And then they come up to 6 sizes. So there's everything from the small one right up to the meter one. Each one of them has got some markings which are smack bang in the middle. And in the summer, we're just waiting for them to come in. There will be a clamp, and you put the clamp exactly between the markings. The clamp is a bit like gyroscopic.
Right.
It's got 2 angles on it. So you'll be able to set the blade backwards or forwards, but you'll also be able to set the blade sideways. So if you've got a real, like angle, like a stairwell where it's a little bit awkward to get to, you can set the blade to an angle.
And that'll go on an ordinary
That
roller
will
pole.
go on a roller pole, but we've also got a new pole coming out as well. And so therefore it's just easier to use.
Yeah.
If you're doing a ceiling,
Get all of those, So basically,
we've got a meter one here, and as you can imagine,
That's a big boy.
Yeah. Sizes, everything. You got the clamp in the middle. Once it's on an extension pole, once you've rolled the ceiling, then it's just easier to go along and smooth it out rather than stepping up on steps or anything like that.
Yes. And I'll just interact because I know people love commenting about the actual roll-on plaster. We smooth it out and people will say, oh, it's not brilliant. You smooth it out to the best of your ability. And then when it's dry, which I normally say next day, you go over it with a sanding pad, a Mercer.
Yes.
That will take away the dust and anything that's an imperfection that you see as a trowel mark, as we'd call it, gets smoothed out and then it's good to go for painting.
Yes.
Do not think what we've just done now is
the finished
article.
product. No. After you've done that, the next day, if if you're not happy, you can put a very, very small, very, very thin layer on, and then more or less take everything off.
Yeah.
What we did here earlier is we damaged the plasterboard
Oh.
to show people, you know, like where we've put the filler. So that's why you can see this here, because that's a damaged plasterboard underneath.
That's good. No, lovely. Thank you very much for that. We'll show you that. And then we've also got the prep board down, which are other products that Ciret do.
Right.
I've got bring us round to this, so we can just have a look at these products as well.
So we've got the prep board, which is made out of recycled content. So recycled cardboard. It's medium duty, spill resistant. So if you do spill something, you can just wipe it up and away you go.
And that's for hard floor surfaces.
That's mainly for hard floor. It's very difficult to put on a carpet because of moving. So what we've now brought out is, and these are brand new into the country, so they've only been in the country a couple of weeks. We've got a
car cover.
Grey fleece.
That could be my car cover.
We've got a grey fleece, yes. And this is made out of clean waste.
Right.
So when they make t-shirts, they put all the material out, they put the pattern on top, and then they cut round the pattern. The bits that fall on the floor, that's what this is made of. It's also got a coating on the back. So if you do spill anything, number one, it's not going to go through, but also it's going to absorb the paint. So if you do walk on it, you're not walking it all over the place.
So is it a double-sided product? You can either have one way or the other?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
would you say that goes down?
I would say that one goes down on the bottom, and then that's also anti-slip.
Right.
But this is really hard wearing. So even if you rub it as much as you can, it's not damaged at all.
Brilliant.
So you can use this outside, underneath your ladders or anything like that to hold anything down.
And is that the only size it comes in for the length?
It's in a 1 metre and it's in 25 metre rolls. So obviously once you've used it, you can roll it up, take it onto your next job.
Do you need to tape that between sections, or does it hold on to itself? Or I
would hold down, but I would put some tape down just to keep it in place.
Lovely.
Then the second one we've got is this one, and I don't know whether you can hear.
Oh, it's sticky.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not sticky, it's tacky.
It's tacky.
So it's not.
It feels like a tack rag.
Yes, yeah. This ideal for carpets.
Right.
Especially staircases.
Yeah.
So if you've got a staircase, the worst thing you can put down is a dust sheet, because you're going to go flying. So on this one hold on to the carpet.
What do you think the life expectancy is of that then for the stickiness, or is it like you'll get a few years out of it?
Oh God, yes, yeah. And you can just roll it up and start again.
Yeah.
Right. So the sticky goes on the floor, and then you've got a hard coating on the top.
That's really good.
And this is made out of water bottles, recycled water bottles, Coca-Cola bottles, etc. And these are made in our factory in Vietnam.
Right.
So they come directly into us. Yes.
Do ambassadors of Ciret go to Vietnam to see it being made?
No, I haven't even been myself yet. It's on my list.
So that's great. Thank you very much for that and explaining all those. I'll just have a pan round of your stands, because this is at the Brewers event in Mansfield, which hopefully now is happening every year. So I'll say thank you very much for the demo.
No,
thank you for talking to me.
Thank you very much.